Hello everyone and welcome to Dino Outdoors. Today we're going to install and review these custom fit F-150 seat covers from Coverado, so stick around. So your seat covers will come in a nice storage bag as well. Full zippered case. This is the full set, front and back seat covers. The design and style of the seat cover is very sharp, and it's really soft, padded stitching inside. Here's a close-up look of the pattern. To begin installing the front seat covers, start by removing the headrests. It's easier to install your seat covers if you tilt your seat back slightly. Find the front top backrest seat cover and slide it over the top. Once you have your seat cover over the top, press firmly down around where your headrest goes and slide that underneath. Locate your clips. Take the two Velcro straps on the outside edges. Place your clips through the Velcro and then tuck these clips underneath the seat, backrest, and the seat cushion. The next step is to locate your seat base. Find your two plastic clips and your two metal hook clips. On the back of the seat base cover, locate the two elastic straps and place your clips around those like this. And on the front of your seat base, find your two elastic straps. Take one of your metal hook clips and place it over the top of the elastic strap. To do that, you have to pull them apart slightly to get them over the top of the elastic. And do the same thing for the other strap. Slide your cover over the top. Take your two plastic clips and you're going to feed them through the seat base and the backrest, and they're going to come out the bottom side. So tuck them up underneath. Now while tucking that clip down underneath, you want to pull up on this piece here, and you can feed that down through and pull it out like so. Now what you want to do is find your clips, attach them to the seat back elastic straps, just like so. Now the final step for the front seat covers is to locate your headrests. Slide your headrest into the cover. Take the Velcro strap, wrap it around, tuck it down inside and use a little pressure, pull down so you get it nice and tight. Press your seat cover up against it and wrap it around. And your headrest should look like this when it's finished. Now reinstall your headrest. All right, now we're going to move around to the back seats. We're going to start with the smaller seat cushion first. Locate that. Take the backrest part, lay that down flat on the seat base. Install your plastic clips on the two Velcro straps. Take your two plastic clips and tuck them up underneath the seat base in the backrest area. Once you have this all laid out and the buckle straps out of the way, you want to recline the backrest down onto it. Take the buckle straps and attach them together. Then raise the seat back into place. And form everything until it fits nicely. Last step is to tuck these holes over where your headrest is going to sit. Push them up underneath there nice and securely. Install the headrest cover like we did previously and reinstall it. Finally, locate the seat base. Tuck the two straps underneath the seat. And it's going to take a little bit of work. When you tuck them up underneath, you're going to want to raise up on the seat base a little bit while tucking them under, and then raise it up. You should be able to locate them and pull them through. Then fit the seat cover over the top of the base. Take your cross member straps, place them through your clip, from the ones that go from the front to the back, and attach them like this. And do the same thing on this side. Now you can set your base back down and just form it and fit it until you like how it looks. All right, now we're going to move over to the larger part of the backrest. What you want to do is slide your seat back cover through the seat belt to begin with. Now you're going to have to slightly lift up on the bottom piece here and get your hand behind, and there's a release that you can pull, a lever, and that'll release the backrest. This is the lever that locks the backrest into place, and you just push on this little tab here, and that'll let your backrest come forward. Now with the backrest released, tuck all your clips down underneath and feed them through. Now with your straps tucked up underneath, tilt it back. And like we did on the other section, feed these elastic straps through your buckles. Find your strap buckle on the bottom and attach them together. Just like so, and continue with the other three. Now kind of position your seat cover till you like it. Get these tucked underneath your headrests bracket area, like so. And finally reinstall your headrests. And finally, we're going to install the seat base. Same process. Tuck your buckles up underneath, and we're going to feed them down and through. So you just pick up on the back as you feed them through to make it easier. And then you can pull them out from underneath, just like so. Once you have all your buckles fed through, locate the elastic strap on the side of the seat cover. And again, we're going to feed this through. And then hook them together. And we'll continue along with the other three buckles. And finally, just position everything and tuck it into place. Get your seat belt buckle's located out. Form it off, tuck this down in there, and your seat covers are now installed. These seat covers are made of Napa leather. They're very soft and stylish. These are 100% waterproof, so they'll protect your original seats. They have a nice custom fit style and design. Here's a look at them up close. If your truck is equipped with the center armrest, mine is not, you can access it through the Velcro with zippers located on both sides. And then you could access your armrest and lay that down. They have a full wraparound design with a pouch in the back, just like your factory seats. These seat covers use a high quality double stitch seam to ensure that they'll last a long time. There's a lot of detail that goes into these seat covers. Well, thanks for joining me today. As you could see in the video, the install was very simple. The fit and quality is superior, and the design and style is very sharp. These seat covers also come in 5 different colors. If you guys are interested in checking them out, I'll leave a link down in the description below. If you guys are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And if you guys found this video helpful, please give it a like. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Dino.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control